How to remove member from Telegram group. If you have been using the Telegram application and wondering on how to remove a member from it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to remove a member from a group, simply locate the group first. Just like this, and tap onto it. Then here you can find the group name at the top. Just right here, select it. Then here you can find the members, just right here. Now to remove one of the members, simply slide the member's profile to your left and the person or the member will be removed. Now do it just like this, and now you can see a member has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can remove a member from Telegram group. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.